Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're in the market for a new Android tablet this year and Samsung is on your radar, you're definitely in the right place. Whether you're looking for a compact device for everyday use, something rugged for outdoor work, or a top-tier machine that can practically replace your laptop, Samsung has something for you. But here's the thing with so many options out there, picking the right one can get a little confusing. That's why I put together this video. Today, we're diving deep into the 5 best Samsung tablets you can buy right now in the US. These are the most up-to-date models released this year, and still very fresh in the market. And we're going to break them down from the most basic to the absolute powerhouse, counting down from number 5 to number 1. So yes, my favorite pick will be waiting for you at the end. We'll be looking at what makes each tablet Unikit's display, processor, battery life, S Pen support, and most importantly, whether it's worth your money. And stick with me because some of these specs might surprise you, especially if you haven't kept up with Samsung's latest upgrades. Also, if you're into tech reviews that actually help you decide what to buy, instead of just listing specs and prices, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I keep it real. I test everything hands-on, and I'm here to save you time, money, and a few headaches. Let's jump in with our number 5 pick. Number 5, Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, 2025 edition. Starting off our list is the most budget-friendly option, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Now, if you're looking for a solid everyday tablet without spending too much, this one deserves your attention. It's perfect for students, light content consumption, or casual note-taking. This year's version still carries its classic 10.4-inch TFT LCD display with 2200 resolution. It's not AMOLED, but it gets the job done for videos, ebooks, and basic app use. Under the hood, Samsung gave it a fresh update with the Exynos 9611 chipset. It's not built for heavy gaming or pro-level multitasking, but it handles Netflix, Google Docs, and Zoom calls just fine. You get 4 GB of RAM and the option of either 64 GB or 128 GB of internal storage. Battery life is decent with a 740 mAh cell, and you can expect a full day's use with moderate screen time. But the real win here? The S Pen is included in the box, and it works great for journaling, digital sketching, or just jotting down notes in Samsung Notes. Design-wise, it feels slim and light in the hand. It's easy to carry in a backpack or purse, and it still has a headphone jack, which is something you don't see too often anymore. Bottom line, the Tab S6 Lite won't blow your mind with performance, but for basic use and the price point, it's a fantastic value. Great for students, casual users, and people who just want a reliable tablet without all the extras. Number 4, Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE. Next up, the Galaxy Tab S10 FE. This is where things start to get interesting. It's technically a step up from the 6 Lite, but it brings a lot more to the table. You get a larger 10.9-inch LCD display with a sharper resolution and smoother 90 Hz refresh rate, a welcome upgrade for anyone who scrolls a lot or watches video content. The processor here is Samsung's new Exynos 1580 chip, and you really feel the bump in speed. App switching is snappier, animations are smoother, and it doesn't choke on heavier web pages. This tablet comes with 8 GB of RAM and starts at 128 GB of storage, with a second tier offering 256 GB. Battery capacity is upgraded to 80 mAh. And you can easily get a day and a half of regular usage without hunting for a charger. But the most exciting feature? IP68 water and dust resistance. Yep, Samsung brought real durability to the FE line this time around. Combine that with the included S Pen, and you've got a tablet that's ready for school, travel, or even some light field work. It still doesn't have the AMOLED display of the higher-end tabs, but if you want durability, a bigger battery, and better multitasking without jumping to flagship pricing, the S10 FE hits a sweet spot. Alright, 2 tablets down, 3 to go, and things are about to get really interesting. If you're enjoying this breakdown so far and want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. Let's keep going. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Tab Active5. Alright. Coming in at number 3 is the rugged warrior of the Samsung lineup, the Galaxy Tab Active5. This is not your average sleek, glassy tablet. It's built for real-world chaos, construction sites, delivery routes, fieldwork, or anywhere life gets messy. First off, let's talk toughness. This thing is certified MIL STD 810H for military-grade durability. That means it can handle drops, shocks, extreme temps, and even a little water and dust thanks to its IP68 rating. It's not flashy, but it's built like a tank, and sometimes that's exactly what you need. It features an 8-inch TFT LCD screen, not the biggest or brightest panel out there, but it's responsive and works well, even with gloves on, which is ideal if you're working outdoors. Under the hood, you've got an Exynos 1380 processor paired with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Performance is surprisingly smooth, and you can even pop in a micro SD card for more space. What makes this tablet stand out, though, is the removable battery. Yep, you can swap in a fresh one if you're running low. No need to find a charger mid-shift. That alone makes it a winner for field professionals. The S Pen is included, and it works even in tough environments. Pair that with Samsung Knox security features, and you've got a secure, enterprise-ready workhorse that doesn't quit. No, this obviously isn't the tablet for Netflix binging or high-end gaming. But for reliability, portability, and pure durability, the Tab Active5 is one of the best rugged tablets you can buy right now. If you're finding value in this breakdown so far, consider subscribing. I've got more real-world reviews like this coming your way. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10. Moving on to number 2, we're now entering premium territory. Meet the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10. This tablet strikes that perfect balance between high-end performance and polished everyday usability. Right off the bat, you're greeted with a stunning 12.4-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display that supports a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It's sharp, vibrant, and perfect for watching content, editing photos, or simply scrolling social media. The screen alone puts this tablet in a class of its own. Under the hood, it's powered by the beastly MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Xiaoan processor, paired with 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of internal storage. That means blazing fast app switching, seamless multitasking, and zero lag whether you're sketching, streaming, or diving into productivity apps. Speaking of sketching, the S Pen is included, and it feels fantastic on the display. Whether you're a digital artist or just someone who likes taking notes the old school way, this pen will win you over in minutes. Plus, with Samsung's AI-powered features like Note Assist, you can turn handwriting into formatted text in a flash. Battery life is another win. The 1090 mAh battery holds up really well, offering enough juice for a full day of use, whether you're working or relaxing. And with fast charging, you're never tethered to an outlet for too long. What's missing? Honestly, not much unless you're craving the absolute max performance, which is exactly what the Ultra model delivers. And that's up next. For most users, though, the Tab S10 is the sweet spot, premium enough to impress, powerful enough to handle anything, and polished enough to make every interaction feel refined. And finally, my number 1 pick, Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Here it is, the king of Samsung tablets this year, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. If you've been waiting for the absolute best, this is it. It's not just a tablet, it's a full-blown workstation disguised in a sleek aluminum frame. Let's start with the screen. A massive 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, pushing out a resolution of 2960x1000, 848 pixels, with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Watching movies, editing videos, multitasking with split-screen apps, it's all immersive, fluid, and insanely crisp. Under the hood, this beast is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Xiaoan processor, paired with either 12GB or 16GB of RAM depending on your configuration. Storage options go all the way up to 1 TB, so space is never an issue. Whether you're rendering videos, running virtual machines, or jumping between creative apps, the Tab S10 Ultra handles it like a pro. Camera setup? Surprisingly solid for a tablet. You get dual front-facing cameras for clear video calls and even AI-powered features like subject tracking and real-time background blur. The rear cameras are just as capable for quick scans or capturing scenes on the fly. Battery life is also massive. 11,200 mAh battery powers this machine through full work days. And yes, 45W fast charging is on board to top things off in a hurry. The S Pen, of course it's included. And with AI tools like Drawing Assist and Note Assist, it feels like you've got a mini creative studio at your fingertips. Is it overkill for casual users? Maybe. But if you want the very best Samsung has to offer in power, display, and creative freedom, the Tab S10 Ultra is in a league of its own. And that's my full breakdown of the top Samsung tablets available this year. Whether you're looking for a rugged work tool, a creative sketchpad, or a full-blown laptop replacement, one of these 5 tablets is going to meet your needs. And then some. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which one would you choose? Are you leaning toward the sleek Ultra, the powerful Stenyaon, or maybe something more compact and durable like the Active5? If this video helped you in any way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a real-world, honest tech review that cuts through the noise. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next one.